Hey everyone, today we are going to build a modern professional card using only HTML and CSS. This card has a profile image, user information, skill tag, statics, and a follow button. The design looks clean, modern, and professional, making it a great project for beginners who want to improve their CSS skills. So let's start coding. First, I will create a new HTML file and add the basic HTML boilerplate. Now let's change the title. Then connect the CSS file with this HTML file. Now inside the body, I will create the main card container, div.card. This card will contain two sections, the top section for the profile image and background, and second section for all user information. Inside this card, let's create a div called top. Here I'm using a random avatar image. Later we will style it as a circular profile image. Now let's create the content area. Inside this content section, I will add the username and a verification budget. Next, let's add the profession. Now we will create a skill tag div.text. These tags will show the technologies used by the developer. Next, let's add some profile static. Inside it, I will create three state box. These states make the card look more realistic and professional. Finally, let's add a follow button. Our HTML structure is now complete. Let's open this with the live server. Let's move to CSS. And remove default browser spacing. This makes the layout calculation much easier. Now let's center the card on the screen. Flexbox help us center the card both horizontally and vertically. The dark background also creates good contrast. Now let's design the main card. Border radius gives smooth rounded corners and overflow hidden ensures nothing goes outside the card. To create depth, let's add a shadow. This makes the card appears elevated from the background. Now let's design the header area. Dot top. Position relative is important because the profile image will be positioned absolute. Now let's make the image circular. Object fit cover ensures the image fills the circle properly. Let's add a white border. Now position it between the header and content. This technique perfectly centers the image. Now let's add spacing. We use extra top padding because the image overlaps this section. Dark text improve readability. The blue color help the verification buzzer stand out. The lighter color creates visual hierarchy. Let's make the tag look like belts. Display flex. This creates a clean modern UI look. Now let's style the state. Flexbox places all statics in one row. Finally, let's style the follow button. Let's make it interactive. And add a hover effect. When user hover over the button, it moves slightly upward, creating a modern animation. And that's it. We successfully created a beautiful modern profile card using only HTML and CSS. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next project.